and talking to my Mojo team. Damn, we walking this way today, everybody. Let me show you what we got going on, because I got to erase my my painting right here. This is my bullshit flag. This is what happened with UV right here when we were buying it before I sold it at 1709 just now. There's the flagpole, my painting number 4. This is a bullshit flag. Cranking it today with the UV. So we got a nice little move. We really just stuck to one stock today. The first trade on UVXY was right here. That was the sell right here. The market opened. This was trade number 2. This was the sell right up here. This right here was trade 4, 5, and 6. This was trade 7. This was trade 8. This is trade 9. That's what we've done. Let me show you right here. So the first trade we did was 8:54 a.m. So if you were in the Mojo room, excuse me for 1 second. Watch out, Major. Right? Chat, Major. Here, go forward. Nice. So the first trade was down here on UVXY at the 1680. We added at 1695. I basically pushed my chips all in, and we hit the high of 1728. Then trade number 2, we bought it back here at the 17. And we sold it up at, tapping it again at 90, doubling and tripling it up here again. Sold 1704, sold 1707, and sold 1720. Now we're going to get ready for the next one. At 1708, sold 1719. Now we're going to get ready for the next one. The high was 26. Started filling the bids from 17. Down, right down here, UVXY average was 1711, sold 1724. It's the 4th or 5th time right there, 1729. Then we bought it again, 1707, sold 1718. That's number 6. Then we tapped it again right here at 17. 1704.09 sold, and there you go. So now I'm going to rebuy it again at 1693 to 95, and my average is going to be right down here now. My last average was 1711. Always pressing the buttons, always changing the price, and the traders get to look right over my shoulder, and you could see me right here, and they get to watch my screen. I tell them exactly how many shares that I have left, how many we're buying. We're only buying a couple thousand, nothing big. And just telling you exactly best trading day of UV all month. Did the calls earlier, testing options. And that's what we did. The trading for today, the demos, did really nice. This is the demos. Right down across the board from 280 down to 71. 2 more profits, and these people lost. So overall, it was a very nice day with the demos and the demo trading. Do I have the did we do the poll for today? I thought we did the poll. Didn't we do the poll? Take a look. Instant poll. We'll do the poll again. Add right here. I just got filled 92, 91, 90, 89. Almost at 1,000. 9, 8, 11:51 in the morning. So the people that are left here, half the people are left in the room. We were done in the first 10 minutes of the day. UVXY. Results from today's trading. See who's left in the room, because I have to take the poll. So I'm going to add again. 92, 93, 94, 95. And there you go. So great job today on the poll. $1 to $500. We have 4 people made $1 to $500 today. That's pretty damn good. That's real money. It's nice. 500 to $1,000. 2 people made that. We got, ooh, 1 to 2,000, 3 people. Nice. Made money in the demo, everyone. Observing and watching 4. Nice. So today, we laid out the guns. So what I did was, oh, great job, everyone. 4 people made that, 2 people made that, 3 people made that, 6 people made that, 1 person made that, 4 people made that. That's what we do every day. You know, it's pretty funny. Like, I do these polls, and I just do them because it's my routine. You know, win, lose, or draw every day. DGF just got to be done. And my Twitter. I try to, whatever I look at on my social media, I like to show you all and share with you, because if I think I'm looking at it, I think it's pretty important. So I'll share it with you on my Twitter. And here's my, what I have on my site now. I have a full-fledged comic strip gallery and paint gallery. So if you go to comics now, stock market paint collection. So I have, like, this is the one yesterday. This was like a bullet. This is Sprint. We own it at 650. It's coming out with a bullet right now. Sprint is 673 right now. So this painting, worth 20 grand. You followed my painting, you made 20,000 bucks. Let's look at my next painting. My next painting was Jivo, and Jivo, I said, is just really scary right here at 72 cents. And you want to stay away from Jivo. It's really scary. Jivo is 49 cents today. So this, you would have made $100,000. $50,000 on the short on Mr. Scary Jivo. So my painting number 2, my collection of paintings of what I do, they seem to transpire into huge moves and magician magic on the stock. My other one today, number 1, was right here. The first one I ever did in the collection is UVXY to make a big move at $17 right here, like, and fly like a rocket ship. Is flying like a rocket ship. Today, you made $5,000 trading UVXY off of my painting. So paintings 1, 2, and 3 looking real nice. Here's painting number 4 right here, which is the bull flag on UV. the bullshit flag, and this stock is going to go to $18.50 from here. Once it's from here, it's going to do this. This is called a magnet, and it's going to go right to 20 bucks. So there you go. My collection, magnificent. And my comic strip collection. So have a fun time checking out. Look, guys, see the dog? If you're Pro Trader Labrador, then I'm Mark Zuckerberg. I love those comics. Okay, nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done. Nicely done. Up, came right back down. Look, see, we're just like magic. Just like magic. Just like magic. Where's it going to go? Let me show you. Let me show you the new MOJO. Okay? Here's the new MOJO. You ready? Triangle, 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 triangle. Yeah. So there's your new MOJO right there. Here's your M. Right here. Stocks got. And here's the O. Look. It's going to come up right there and make the O for the Mo. For the Mo. And then when it breaks up here, it'll hit a ceiling and it'll curl back for the J. And then it'll close right here for the O. And we'll have a little MOJO.
Well, yes.
Sprint, 682. My missus gave me a cold. Don't like it. Only one of us can catch the cold. The other one's got to stay prime. So right here, 683. We don't trade many stocks in the MOJO room. There was 3 of them today, maybe 4. One of them I've shown you as my main trader, UVXY. We traded here, HEAR, new high of the day. Sprint, 673, new high of the day. Actually, Sprint is 683. New high of the day. And that's a new MOJO swing pick right there. So we traded UV, Sprint, and here. Look, UV. Oh, and SKLN broke out. And GIVO we made from 49 cents back over to 50. So we like 6 for 6. 6 for 6. Yeah. This is one of my favorite this nice. So I only traded UVXY stock and options, so you did great. Boom time. Positive expect. Told you it was going to go through 17. You know why? Let me show you this morning. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, yeah. So let me show you right here. The demos have fear of pressing the button when you're at a loss, and you're too quick pressing the button when you're profitable. Bad recipe. That you need help with that. So demo 23, you made 5%. Nice. 90% of the demos made money. In 24 months, I've waited for ABCD to go over $5. It's over $5. You believe it? Look. Cambian Learning Group, finally breaking out. 2,000 shares. Mojo gets stocks breaking out on low volume. Wait till volume comes into it. Woo! Woo! Let me show you some of the others. Castle Brands. See that? Mojo has that one. Excuse me. That's the next SPU possibly, or the next brew. Remember brew, B-R-E-W, right here? Brew, SPU, and now Roxy. There you go. Same thing. So we're long rocks. We're long. This since $1.65. It's $5.19. MGNA, we're long right here. And PHOT, we're long right here. We sold this last week, the week before into that. We're back in it now. We have Roxy, Castle Brands. We have NSPR, taking it down the lane, looking for a strike on this thing right here, just like SKLN. SKLN, we took it down the lane and it made a big strike. Big strike on SKLN. And a little Java. Got Java action, JVA. Same sort of pattern as Roxy. They're a coffee company. Little Fuel, F-U-E-L, made a big, nice move today. Swing. These are all the swings down here on the right. And then we have this one, XGTI. We already sold last week into this. We're back in it for another move. We have MNGA, Minergia Gas. We already sold some into this. We have some left right here. PIP, Parmathene, we own over here. We've already sold some up into the high. We have some left. Applied DNA, we own right in here. We've already sold some up into that top over there. UV's going through. Just be patient right now. It's going to pop right now. IDSY, we own this thing in here. It's already popped 2 times to the top. Command Security, already sold up into this, waiting for another move on Command. Glory Energy, in it right now, making a move. It's an older stock in this long base. DPW, we already sold up into this and up into this. I'm just waiting for another opportunity. DRYS, we're down in. We own it right up in here. We're waiting for a move back in DRYS to get out of it. It made a big move up here. So eventually it'll go with TOPS, T-O-P-S. When TOPS makes another move back up, and it is kind of, so could make a move there. NFEC right here. This one is a beauty coming up out of the base right now, up 5.5%. Tatron Components, waiting for it to make a move similar to this and this in the base. These is my swing. So these are all the older ones, and these are all the newer ones. So right there is the top of the swing, which are the older. These are the newer. So right now, current from this week, we have Sprint at 650 is 686, new high. HLIT, we own at $5. Harmonic is 524. EXFO, we own at 330 is 359. We own this one here. It's already broken out. We own, there's UV, it's going, I'm selling, get ready. Light Path, making a big move. SSKN, making a move. HOTR, gapping and making a move. IDXG, making a move, up 9.1, up 1.9. JMU, up JMU was the WOA, went up to a new high today. ESNC, we sold it already up into this high right here. So I'll take ENC off. PPHM, we still have some, just holding a quarter position from inside the base. VII, we own down here on the base, already coming up out of it, beautiful. And MOSI, the same thing. MOSI, we own down in here, already broke out. and LRAD the same thing. I mean, the swing picks are phenomenal. I remain bullish with a side of caution. Sold UV 1704. It seems that every time I make the video, the UV always, like 9 out of 10 times, positively goes very nicely for us. Boom, when I make the nice bids. You know what I mean? Michael Triangelo. S is going through Hines without a doubt. What do you, I don't understand what that means. What the hell does that mean? I don't understand what that means. Speak normal language. Don't give away no secrets in this room. People got to come and join, dude. They were with us yesterday. They own it at 650. How would you have known to get it at 650? Who in their right mind would tell you to buy it? And what are you talking about? If you were a subscriber, one of over the 200 that are in the MOJO Swing Trade newsletter, the stock traded, listen, 14 million shares. George Soros could have bought this one. Here's another one he missed, right? I told you. I told you. Here's the trigger right here. So if George Soros was in my newsletter, he would have been triggered at 650. As soon as the level 1 bid went to 649, I got my alert, and within 2 minutes, this newsletter went out. Buy right here at 650. The high has not even been there yet. It didn't trade there yet. As soon as it flipped, look, it didn't trade there yet. We bought the pants off of that. See that, Mojo? 135 by 1554, 41, 36, 36, 31, 29, 29, 607, 442, 399, 399. See it? See it? See the PSX, the BYX, the NYSE, the EDGA, the EGX, see them all? See them all? See them all? Like it, like it, like it. So you would have been alerted and you would have gotten it. And now you'd be up huge on big dollars, because this is the kind of stock you could put big dollars into. Okay? Walk this way. Talk this way. See the stock? It's coming in for a short. See if it could press a little. It's gone all the way up the block from 70 to 92. Honk, honk. I'll pass on it, but it's looking good. Looking good. So we traded a little JRJC this morning, try to buy it on this dip, and didn't do shit. These little stocks, if you're trading these, they ain't doing nothing. They're not. If you can't adapt to the market, to what's working, you'll go through days where you lose and push things that don't work in order to make something work, and that just puts you days and days behind. Like the guy who bought the dust in the in the demo when I wasn't trading it. So the reason why I'm able to trade a stock, like a guy said, Mike, you trade UVXY pretty good and it goes down every day. I said, yeah, I do. So it's gone down a lot of days in a row, and I seem to trade it good on every day. It doesn't matter what it does. And I thought to myself, you know why I'm able to do that? And that was the question this morning that I gave to the room. Yeah, he can use a couple of semesters of Mojo, yeah. You want to know why? Because UVXY, here is the question. Right here. The reason why I'm able to do it is because it's predictable. It's predictable. Just like I'm going to sell some at 1709 right now, because it's predictable. Okay? I just sold some at 1704. Now, I'm going to sell some at 1709, but it's not at 1709. But just wait a second, and it will be. Watch.
Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no.
I'd say
yes.
I just got filled. Sold 1709. You know why? Because it's predictable. That's how I know. So AMD looks good, Corey. We should short it. Let's short AMD. Corey likes it. He's a regular trader. He's not no pro. Whatever it's at, I'm going to bet the opposite of you. Watch. It's 639. I'm shorting it right here at 639. Watch. AMD short 639. We'll see who wins. Sold UV. See, I told you, sold 714. UV sold 714.14. I'm winning on my short. You're going to lose big. UVXY 1714 versus AMD. AMD red 46 down 6.7 on 39 million. Going into 35 off stopping station 27. It's a slam dunk. It's an easy money bet. It's an easy money bet, dude. Auto close is under 35. Up. Now I can't lose. Now my trail stop is cost. Now my trail stop is cost. Can't lose. Here's 37. 7 to 37 crushed the debacle. People are like,
No, N-O.
I'm like, yeah, boy. Let me show you that like this. My comic from yesterday, like the guy that liked it. And by the way, there was only one marijuana stock that we trade in the room, which was GWPH. So I don't trade many of them, but the ones that I do, look at GWPH, folks. Would you have liked to been in this thing at 80? It's at $109. So yeah, Apple's good and Facebook's good, but this is what Mojo's was trading. GWPH, folks. Right, guys? GWPH. All over that stock, smoking it every day in the room. It's a weed stock. I told you that. That's why I like it. Because it's got the marijuana stock. So check it out. You got right here. That's my SparkFin portfolio. Look at this, baby. Applied DNA. Boom, boom, boom. I like this program. This program's cool. Check it out. Go to my page. It shows you right here. These are all the stocks. I have 14 of them in my list. You guys could follow me. I only have 5 followers, but you could follow me on SparkFin and like APDN. It shows you right here, all cool information on it. 52-week high, boom, 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 boom. But what it does in the app, it's really cool. Check it out. So let me open up the app. So let me show you the app. So here, let me show you. So right here on the app, you could see, it shows you like I added Sprint today. So it shows you 0 days held. I'm up. I added it at 667. I'm up 2.85%. VBIV, I've held it 16 days. Average 375, it's 410, I'm up 6.9. PIP, I've held 14 days, I'm up 3.52, average 256. ABCD right there, I've held it 25 days. I'm up at 482. I'm up 6.43. Roxy, I've held 25 days. I own it at 83. I'm up 8.4. IDSY. And this is my watch list. So if you guys want to follow me, I got NGNA, Yankee on there, and all those good ones. It shows you how many days you've had it, what the dealio is, and all that good stuff. It's called SparkFin. And also what it does, check this out. Look, I got 9 alerts. So I go into like my notifications, and it sends you these. Look, it shows you like Roxy price alert, HTBX, DPW, JD, a Gibson price alert, LBBX, and it gives you like alerts. So you could set alerts on your stocks and get notified right like that. So with my newsletter, that's a really good program. That's a really good program. Anybody use that SparkFin? Alan showed it to me. So this was the GWPH right here. Anybody use SparkFin? No, you do? Nice job on UV. Now on 689 now on Sprint. We're looking amazing. So Mojo trades some really great stocks. I'll do a poll in the room. Let's do a poll. Who has Sprint? Not for mobile, not for service, for your phone, but the stock long. Don't be silly now. You do? Yes. You don't? No. You wish you did. You got it, you don't got it, or you wish you did. 4 people wish you did. Well, you don't have to wish. It was a swing pick. Alan owns it at 651. Wow. You know what you should do right now? Just add a little bit more. And sell it at 710. Another 25 cents from here. If it goes lower, whatever you added, sell it at 684. Your risk is 2 cents. Your upside's 30. Whatever you add, if it drops from 684, the ad's not successful. Just keep your 51. Right here, goes higher, 99. I gotta tell you. Yeah, and GVO, we had GVO today. GVO's bouncing, 51. We own GVO under 50. GVO's good. GVO's gonna pop through right here. GVO's gonna go like this. GVO's gonna go like this. Like a big old pimple. It's going to pop. It's like a big old pimple. It's going to pop. It's going to go to 55. From 50, right here, it's going to go test the high. Was there any news that came out after the contract they got that made it fall like that? Because I didn't see any. Yeah, you guys wish you should have owned Sprint. The 12 people that didn't, send me an email. I get you right into the Swing newsletter. Absolutely. No reason why you shouldn't own some Sprint. You could have bought options on it. Absolutely. So Gevo, I did pick that in the room. Up nicely right here, but we bought it down here. Gevo small at 50 with a stop loss at 48. With a stop. See, that's what I told you I'm afraid of. Remember Goddess? All those small ones that were up big to buy them. Remember I told you that last week? That they'd go down huge like that. Mo Larry the cheese, Mo Larry the cheese. Like these stocks right here, let me show you. Here's a perfect example. Like you trade a stock like STEM. Remember STEM last week? STEM. Remember STEM when it goes like this? And then like the next day, couple of days it stays here and you're like, yo, I should check and buy that stock. Well, here they announce a stock offering and it gets crushed. That's what we were talking about with STEM. If you know what I mean. We just got to go to 7-Eleven, guys. You want to go to 7-Eleven and get some Slurpees? Who wants to go get some 7-Eleven? Who wants 7-Eleven right now? I do. I do. I want some. Me, please. I'll have a blue Slurpee. Blue for me. Blue for me. How about green? I want a green one. I want a big green one. A big green Slurpee. Got some like, you know, good kale and things like that and all good stuff. I want a 7-Eleven. Yep. That's what I'm going to wait for. And we'll bounce it back and forth between until it does. Yeah, we don't want to it ain't going. Nah, I can't. Not today. Look, SPY. It can't do that. Can't do that. Just buy it. I've told you all day long. Just buy it. Doesn't even make a difference. You can buy it with your eyes closed, right? And just buy. Buy it with your eyes closed. That's all. Okay? That's all you want to do. Remember, we got filled all the way down to 93 last time. 92, 93, 94, and 95. Do it again. 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93. Line that sucker up. I'm glad the market's orderly. Let it go down very slowly. We'll be a trading machine off of it. Nothing. MGNA is a great buy. Great buy. All right, folks. All righty. That's pretty much it. Make it one more blast through, and then I'm pretty much done. It'll firm up the green bar on the day. There's no absolute way it's going to be red, no matter how small it is. Okay? And it's going to be actually the first time we may get a 2 or 3 day move similar to this. And keep in mind, this stock in July was $83. It's 17. When it moves, it can move like this. The stock right here was 46. Right here it's 61. It went up 6 points in one day, and here it went up from 62 to 78. Went up 16 points in one day. Here it went up 11 in a day, 9, 68, 78, almost 20 points on this day it moved. 20 points in a day. So when you're looking at 21 cents, it's nothing. Nothing. Look, this day it moved 5 points. It moves like it is. See how quickly it's moving right now? 08, 09, boom, we just bought it again. We just bought it again. 17, 98, 99, boom, 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 boom. It's amazing. What do you got to trade anything else for? You really don't. You really don't. Sprint 692. That was a good ad, Alan. You know what I mean, brother? It's a really good ad at 87. Yeah. Nice. Took how many years to learn to add back whatever you sell? How long did it take? How long so if it took me, whatever it took me, times that by 5 more years for the average person. I think it's taken me 3 years. 3 years to master that move. Know when to buy again. You know what I mean? It's flying, baby. 94. Guys in the demos don't have no sprint. That's a shame. All right, guys, I'm at 7-Eleven. What you want? I'm just gonna go for the blue Slurpee. I'm going for the Slurp. I love it. Thank you for the Slurpee. So I'm at 7-Eleven right now. That's what we're talking about, guys. We're not going to 7-Eleven. It's going through 7-Eleven. Okay? If you were in the MOJO Day Trade room, you'd be having some fun, making money. 7-Eleven. You know what I'm saying? I got a nice blue Slurpee going right now. 17, 16, 17, 18. That's good. Slurp it up, baby. They haven't taken 18s, the only one left. They took it all the way up to 18. Yeah, boy.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Yeah, baby. Yes. Well, yes. Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an F. Yeah!
All right, here we go, guys. I think I'm going to get a hot dog with my Slurpee. I think I'm going to get a hot dog. It's coming. I like it. 1720. Hot dog. Add some right there. Because if it goes to 20, the dog is going to be tasting good. Done, 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 done. Look at ABCD. Can't believe it. It's traded 100 shares at 20. Can you believe it? 100. It's like a miracle, miracle, miracle. Sprint's a little overextended right now. May want to take a little bit off the table on the Sprint. You can always rebuy those shares back at 97, but don't sacrifice 5 or 6 on the downside, if you know what I mean. Mr. Machine, whatever you added, sell it. Get back to what you had. Lock in the profit. Lowers your cost from 651 under 650 now. Then if it dips back to 87, rebuy back half of what you added in case it rebounds back to here and then goes through. And if it fails at 87, 84 is your cut, and you got it covered backwards, forwards, left, right, upside down, reverse, inside out, every which way you can imagine. Damn, you're good. Damn, you're good. Wow. See that? Alan just sold 30,000. Nice job, dude. See that? They took you 30,000. It's the way to be. Add those babies back at 97, 98 on the second dip. Let it hit 97, drop back down, hit 97 again, then do it. Don't get fooled the first time, because it'll go from 97 and it'll drop all the way back down to 92, 93 again. I just know. You know how much liquidity is going to be at $7? See this 13.9 and 82? Who could you imagine what it's going to look like at $7? I could show you right here what it's going to look like. Watch. Who wants to see what it's going to look like? Watch. You ready? Watch. It's going to look like this. You're going to say, holy shit. Look at the size of that green bar, kind of like that one. You're going to be like, holy crap. Look at the size of that bar. That's what you're going to say. Holy crap. Look at the size of that bar. Come on now. Mojo's day. Been a great day. That's it. So Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. Thank you.